In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove saved login info on Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the menu, you have to scroll down and tap on logout, then again tap on logout to easily log out of your Facebook account. So now, if you want to remove your login info from your Facebook, you have to tap on the three dots which are present at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on remove profiles from this device. Now select the account whose login info you want to remove from your Facebook application. So for example, I will select the first account and tap on remove. Now again tap on remove, and by doing this you will be able to easily remove the saved login info on your Facebook application. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.